looked all over YouTube. I could not find any kind of video putting coilovers on a Mercedes like this. Let alone, I didn't even know they made some for this car, because Mercedes doesn't even make parts for this car anymore. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so now that we got this car hovering behind me, the coilovers are gonna go on now. So these coilovers are Ceikas, whatever, however you pronounce it. Now I've seen this brand sponsor a lot of people, and I'm not sponsored, so I'll give you the real honest opinion of these. Out of the box, they already feel really quality, and I've spent $1,000 on them, so definitely not the highest end quality, but they are pretty quality. And the best part is that these are fully adjustable, so we can adjust the ride height. You can adjust the spring with this down here, and the valving inside is actually adjustable. You can adjust that valve to be soft or hard. So that's pretty cool. The back ones, it's a little different on this car. It has a shock, which is this, and then it has a spring that's separate. Now for the price I paid for this, I mean, everything looks really good. So the only thing left to do is throw it on the car and see how it drives. Alright, that's good.
What the fuck? I'm gonna torch around.
What? Check it out. We got this coilover bolted in at the top. I got the bolts in the back. They're not tightened down. But we got new spacers. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna put the spacers on here, bolt them up, and then throw the tire on, see the fitment. We might have to cut some fender off here and roll it again, but we'll deal with that when it comes. Might have to camber these wheels a little bit. The wheels turned right now, but yeah. It's a new day, new dollar. We got the homie, the man himself, the myth, the legend, Leonardo DiCaprio.
I already know, out here fixing Mercedes mistakes.
What do you got in your hand, my guy?
I don't know, I found this shit. I don't know what this
We'll probably need it.
Oh, bro, it's like really almost out.
Is it? Oh, already out. Hey, see, not too sketch after all.
That was sketchy as fuck.
That is a...
Small as...
That's the front one, that's the back one, that's the new back one. You can also see how worn out these things are. Pushing it down. New one. This is my whole body weight. So that's as soft as it goes. Easy.
Yeah, you don't want that. What is this?
So this side of the car is done. I have the coilovers on the back and the front. The front I still have to put the caliper back on the rotor. In the back I still have to replace the rotor and new brake pads because remember my tire fell off. So that thing is shredded. I have new rotors coming in, so we're gonna do that later. But now we're gonna do this side. I was just cutting this thing, the fenders off. We're gonna roll those after we put the tires on. What we got here, bro? What just came?
My new rotors for fuck.
You funny, you funny. Why are you cutting this with the freaking pliers, bro?
Cause it worked, bitch.
What the fuck? Clean. Yeah, what are we doing, man?
Ricer.
There we go, rice these calipers out. We got green. We gonna make them green.
Moment of silence.
It's not too bad. I didn't like it at first, but I think it's growing on me. I mean, check it out.
10 seconds later.
So I ended up going with a different color. I went with blue instead of green because that green was not sitting well with me. Plus it looks a lot cleaner. Yeah, what do you think about the blue instead of the green?
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. What do you think about this? Is crazy ad.
The blue better, bro. Trust me.
Isn't Eddie?
Albert Einstein right here, bro. What?
Yeah, cut you.
You're my son, fool.
So we got this side completely on. We gotta still put the coilover in the front here. I'm gonna put this back wheel on. The coilovers are on the back, so that whole back side is gonna be done. We're gonna do the front, paint the calipers, and then go test drive this thing. Okay, Ellie, we finally got it done.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what it looks like with the good light.
Looking low and sexy. Damn, bro.
Oh my god. That back fitment. Hey, give me that light. No, we talking.
Damn, boy. Can't even touch wheel.
So there we have it. We got the coilovers on the Benzo. And actually, so it's actually this video right here is a while ago that I recorded the last clip. So I've been driving it a while with the coilovers on it. This is the ride height I've been running. Boom, tucked, and boom, tucked. And surprisingly, with the 20s on it, I don't scrape, only if I hit a bump pretty hard. The front tire will hit the fender a little bit, but really not much. If I'm going up a curb, like driveway up here like this, does not scrape anything, not even exhaust, not the front lip, nothing. Which is pretty dope. And the handling on it, when you're on the freeway or if you're anywhere on a closed course, if you're cutting it up in traffic, the thing handles like you point it in the direction, it goes that direction, and there's not a lot of body roll for this heavy car. Ignore the play in the steering wheel. So definitely, if you want to get these coilovers, throw it on this car. I recommend these. For that much I spent on them, pretty good, pretty good. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, stay tuned because I got more coming. Might do something on it. Might install a new head gasket after that. Head gasket. Anyways, hit that subscribe. I'm out. Ew.
I just realized the size of those fucking tires.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, bro. They were getting loose.
I just fucking looked underneath that bitch.
God damn, dude.